he's swimming towards the boat. I don't think it's a very big one, but
Oh.
Dinker.
Dink.
Holy cow. I'm gonna have to let that one go. But he swallowed it, didn't he?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Huh.
Popped right out.
Good.
That's good.
God, he was another 10 inches.
First fish of the day right there.
We saw one roll, so I'll get you rigged up here.
Okay. My dad is hooked up again, I think, with the second trout.
This one might be bigger.
Oh.
You get the net ready.
Okay.
You know, I think it was on there the whole time.
Oh, it's like the same trout.
It's the same dinker. A little bit bigger. Probably swallowed it. I'll have to keep it.
No, he didn't swallow it. I think you can let him go.
We'll see. No, I might keep this one a little bit bigger.
Oh, he's bleeding.
Yeah. I'll keep it. It's bigger than the other one.
Oh well.
Who swallowed it?
I can't catch fish because I suck at fishing.
Well,
Nobody likes me. Yeah. I'd probably just quit fishing, so I'll quit my YouTube career. If you want my camera, link is in the description. I'm selling it. Selling this USA Fenwick rod too. It's I don't know how long it is, but you can all have it for free. Right. My dad's hooked up with his third trout.
Just laying there.
It didn't actually fight or anything. It didn't like take off. He was just reeling it in, and he just had one on.
Jump.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh! Look at that jump! Look at that beautiful fish.
In the boat.
Oh man! What an epic catch!
Well, it looks like it swallowed it too.
Dude, that's a freaking monster. Pig. Pig's TV right here, boys. Oh yeah.
Pooped on me.
Okay, I think we're gonna end it there.
Bit bigger.
I'm hooked up with my first trout.
My line's right in front of the boat.
Oh my god, man. Oh, it's a nice one. It's wrapped around Dad. Oh.
Wrapped around me?
Yeah. Oh, did it come off? No, it's swimming this way. No, reel in. No. Yeah, it's wrapped around you.
Maybe that's the whole way I felt it the whole time.
Oh
That's a nice one, David. Don't lose it. Is your drag working?
Yeah. No, it's not. The drag's busted.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay, it's off.
oh it's off.
I'll reel in. I'll get the net ready. Nice one, David. See, you're holding out for a real fish. Keep the net down. I'm sure it's hooked good.
It's like 14, 15 inches.
That's a 16 incher. That's a nice one. Oh no, that's a 17 incher. He's going. I just hope your drag's turning.
No, the drag's broken on it. No, stop it.
I'm gonna loosen a little bit. Yeah, they can bust that line.
Oh.
God, he's really trying to get off. For YouTubers, you don't want to be on this guy's channel. Trim the drag just a little bit.
No, it's broken, I
Well,
said.
I'll loosen it a little bit. You can't be using it. How can it be broken?
Here, I'll loosen it.
Just a little bit, though.
I did. Stop it.
Okay, real. Let's just get this fish in. You got 8 pound cast, right? Put a brand new leader on it. Oh, that's a nice fish, Nathan.
All right, net it. No, that was your chance. Oh, can't you net it?
It's not going in the wrong way. Pull it this way. Don't let the anchor's right there. The anchor's right there.
You're trying everything.
Oh, you've got to guide it into the net, though.
I'm trying to.
Just remember the anchor's over there.
I know.
Now you got your camera on?
Yeah, I do.
You're going to have to edit it the whole time.
I'm trying to, but you can't net it. Right.
He's wore out now.
No, he's not.
That's a nice trout. Just, okay, lift up on him. Okay.
Right. Oh my god, you. Why can't you lift the net?
I couldn't, it's all the water in there.
Finally.
That's a nice trout.
Yeah.
That's probably 16.
First trout of 2017.
Tell, get over there.
He jumped. I don't know if I got him jumping on video, but he's a nice one.
Oh, beautiful fish. Nice job, Nathan.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Right at 10:55.
Look at that thing. I think it's been hooked before.
Oh wow.
Oh man, I can't even see the hook.
Oh, there's noise coming off then.
No.
He fought good.
He could have broke the leader.
Yeah. Let's see, it was scraping up against the net, and plus it went in the net and it popped out.
Okay, no. Oh, you gotta edit that. Okay.
Rip fish. It's okay, guys. He's just sleeping. He's still alive. He's just sleeping. He's not dead. Whew.
Nathan, you gotta edit.
Let's go. Like almost a pound and a half. Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
It's almost a pound and a half.
Yeah, call it a pound and a half.
1 pound 6 ounces. Well, I think I'm gonna end the video there. I caught 1 trout and my dad caught 3 trout and he let 1 go. So, yeah, peace.